Imagine an AI camera so smart it can recognize faces, track gestures, and detect hazards without the cloud or even a computer. Meet the Huskylens 2, the tiny device redefining what Edge AI can do. This next-generation camera from Huskylens doesn't just capture images, it understands them. Thanks to its built-in AI accelerator, it runs machine learning models directly on board. No Wi-Fi, no servers, just instant local intelligence. Out of the box, the Huskylens 2 comes preloaded with 20 AI models. From face recognition and object detection to image classification and even traffic light color detection, it's built to make AI accessible, whether you're designing a robot or automating a workstation. At its core sits the Kendryte K230 SoC, delivering 6 TOPS of AI performance. Sure, it's modest compared to desktop-grade NPUs, but in a device this compact, it's a powerhouse. Paired with 1 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, 8 GB of eMMC storage, and a 2-megapixel sensor capable of 60 frames per second, the Huskylens 2 handles real-time analysis with ease. And here's the twist: no external computer required. A 2.4-inch touchscreen lets you train, test, and tweak models directly on the device. Whether you're in a workshop or out in the field, you get full control at your fingertips. It even includes a microphone and a 1-watt speaker for interactive projects, all while sipping just 1.5 to 3 watts of power. And with USB-C plus an SD card slot, expanding your project is effortless. The Huskylens 2 plays nicely with makers, developers, and educators alike. Thanks to I2C and UART support, it integrates seamlessly into robotics platforms, automation systems, or custom AI builds. It's the kind of device that invites experimentation because you don't need expensive GPUs or complicated setups to explore AI anymore. For $75, the Huskylens 2 brings powerful plug-and-play AI to your fingertips. Whether you're building the next smart robot or simply exploring the future of machine intelligence, this compact camera might be your new favorite tool. The future of AI isn't just in the cloud, it's right here in the palm of your hand.